Hell yeah. Yeah, what's up guys? If you're watching this on the YouTube VOD, it's probably going to be really boring, so I suggest looking at my edited YouTube videos or shorts. Shorts are also nice. But yeah, I mean, you can skip through. There might be some nuggets here, but they'll probably, I haven't been time stamping and stuff, so it's probably going to be boring, and I apologize for that. Anyway, stick around. Yeah, I'll probably be giving many intros later, but for now we chillin'. For now I'm setting up, actually. I'm not even chilling. There's no time to chill. Yeah, setting up chats, that's what we do. There we go. Got one of them. It's always annoying setting up this chat every time because I need like a new TikTok stream key and then this and that, but it's still better than what I did before, which was having a remote into a Windows computer. Khalid, what's up, man? How are you? All right, I think we're good now. I'm not gonna go live on Kick because it's full of bots, but we are on every other platform. Pretty much. Not Instagram either, though. X, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitch. I think we're all good. Yeah. All right. So this stream, I want to work on this app. Let me show y'all. So why did that open in a new tab? So I'm working on this app I use myself for editing videos called GM Clip. The main function is clipping, and I think this stream I'm just gonna try to improve the user interface a bit. I don't know exactly how. I have some ideas, but yeah, it'll just be some chill coding. Yeah, so let's get into it. So back on iTerm. Also, I got a new landing page here. Editing that feels like winning. Oh, we probably could do with a better tagline, but then I also want like a video. So that's pretty much like the main thing will be like the video of me explaining, because I think that'll do better than text. I think I made this on Lovable, actually. And yeah, features here. I don't know. We won't be working on the landing page yet. I want to work on the actual app, which yeah, plus jobs. What's up, man? So let me show you the actual app somehow. Oh yeah, also I'm in a new room today with, yeah, this will be my place for the next month. Yeah, it's nice. I'll give a tour later. It's like really cloudy and rainy today, so it doesn't look as good outside, but the view from the window is really cool. So let me run this. To run this, it's like a Python module, so I run it with like python-m, and oh, this is, I was doing a branch to do auth, but hold on, let me go back on the main branch. Also another thing is I'm using an external monitor, and Aerospace does not work nice on the external monitor, unfortunately. So I have to keep like swapping shit out. Anyway, we're gonna work off of this GM Clip 0.1. We're gonna make a branch called UI updates, I guess. I don't know. We can probably close this for now and bring that back. Okay, let's try again. Alright, so first off, this is the main dialogue that pops up. Doesn't look too great, but you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a Google Doc. How do you make like a new doc? Is it /new? There's like a way. I think it's like new.docs.google.com. No, that wouldn't be it either. Oh, is it? Oh, it is. Okay. If you go new dot, okay, no, that doesn't work either. I wanted it to do it without like doxing my shit. Okay. GM clip UI docs, I guess. So I'm gonna put like all the docs in here. I mean all the like UI screenshots in here, and then I'm gonna feed it to a few different LLMs probably to see what they think of how to improve it. Okay, so first modal. This is shown on the welcome screen. Also, can these models see the images? Like if I export this as a PDF, can like ChatGPT see the images? I don't know, we'll find out. Effortless editing. Is that what I had? Effortless editing? That could be good too. That's definitely more succinct. I do like that. Open to ideas. Hard to hear you. Okay, thank you. I will turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Is that better? Let me know. I do mumble a lot generally also. But that should be at least a little bit better, but Leia, let me know. Yo, AI entertainment, what is this? Yeah, GM clip. I'm gonna show you. So that's the first screen. And then you open a video. So let's open, I normally put streams in. This one's a bit big, 9 gigs. Let's take 8 gigs. Okay, whatever. Let's do this 8 gig one. And then it looks like this. So let me take a screenshot of that. After opening a video, we see this. It's probably way too big. Okay, and then so we can change like the silence threshold, min silence duration, stuff like that, or just leave it on default, and then it'll process. Now one issue is like the process bar doesn't actually update while it's processing. So yeah, you need to be able to show user quick access to past projects. Yeah, that's definitely cool. I would love to have that, but I think that's more of like a feature that needs like other functionality, like saving the metadata and stuff, which is good. Like I should add that to the backlog, but I think like currently I just want to do UI wins. I guess that kind of is included. Yeah, no, but I definitely agree with you. Cool one. Past projects is cool. Oh buddy, thanks for the follow. Chungus, what's up? Klatdemja, no. How you doing? So that first window needs to be bigger, yeah, before any projects get made. Placeholders. Ooh, that's actually not a bad idea. Placeholders, and yeah, placeholders is actually a good idea. Like a coming soon kind of thing. Like with placeholders, it's good. Sound Boost Hub. Oh, I actually do use a Sound Boost extension. Maybe not yours. Let's have a quick look. Is it this one? Volume Booster? Probably not. It's probably this other one. Ooh, my computer's going hard. Are we lagging? Let me know if we're lagging. Why is this just Chrome? It's just green. 900% volume boost, full screen boost, bass boost. Awesome, dude. Let's see. Your web store link, bass boost hub. Yeah, this looks great. The one I use is called Sound Booster. It's very basic. But yeah, shout out to Wucha. Have I tried Data Button? I think I did a long time ago. I think they've probably gotten way better since then, but when I tried it, it wasn't like anything I was interested in or excited about. Clatdam, thanks for the like and follow. Be cool to show different steps in the processing. Yeah. Try my extension, maybe later, bro. But yeah, no, it looks cool, man. Shout out to you. I'm not gonna try it though. Sorry. They just released it. Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe I was trying an alpha version. I saw them like streaming on X, or like showing it off on X. Wait, I think this is the one that made you pay when you sign up. Do you not have to pay anymore? There we go, pricing. And they don't have a free tier. Okay, so you still have to pay, right? Or they got, oh no, they got to get started for free. They got a trial, I'd assume. That's cool, man. Have you tried it, or you just saw it and you want to talk about it? So I got access to HPC with no sudo access, and I need to install Docker without sudo. What's a HPC? Hosted PC? Docker without sudo, bro? I got no idea. Alright, so the video finally processed, and this is the screen after the video processes. Let me try to take a screenshot on a black background here. Screen after video processing finishes. And then like, okay, this is the ugly bit. It's like menu expanded. Controls menu expanded. It's just like just buttons, dude. So there's definitely room for improvement there as well. But I just want to see like what AI suggests. But I should probably, like, I wanted to give a demo. Well, this one didn't even like get the blocks properly. Alright, so yeah, we need to do a different one anyway. But alright, if I like export this as a PDF and then feed it into like ChatGPT, can it read the images as well? Have a look at this report documenting the UI for my app, which I should probably give it some context of the app. It's like, does this, which does, and make a report suggesting improvements to UI. Note we are using, was it PySide? PySide 6? Yeah, PySide 6 and Qt. Okay, hold on, let's see what ChatGPT says. Am I using Data Button? No. Shure mic? Yeah, Shure mic would be good. The issue is like I'm traveling a lot of the time, so getting like an actual good mic, I can't really do that. I mean, right now I just got this lav mic, which is really easy to travel with. Maybe tell it to take screenshots of each page. Tell who? Okay. Welcome screen. Refine the welcome model to immediately communicate key features. Ooh, that's a good idea. Use engaging visuals and minimalistic design. Users start editing. Clarity in process stage. Introduce dynamic process indicators or subtle animations. Enhance the controls by using consistent icons. It's kind of generic advice, but like, what do you really expect? Leverage Qt's styling and animation features to ensure a responsive modern feel across screen sizes. That's another thing. It's like it's not very responsive at all. Yeah. You asked if you could see the images. Yeah. Tell it to take screenshots. But I don't think ChatGPT can take screenshots. I don't know, maybe I don't understand. Nick Tuck, thanks for the like. Try Qwen 2.5? Nah, man. Qwen's not as good as these state-of-the-art models, unfortunately. All right. Let's see what happens if I try to let's try to do it like step by step. So first I'm gonna improve the landing page. The way I'm gonna do that, I mean the welcome modal. All right, this is what I've been using, guys, for Aider. I've been using architect mode with O3 Mini and then Haiku as the editor. And it's like decent. It's like decent performance, I'd say. Decent speed. And alright, what files will I need here? Decent speed and performance. I think like main.py. Main app. No, in an audio block manager, dialogues. That could be it. Requirements. Okay. So refine the welcome screen to immediately communicate key features. In Aider, if you go /editor, you can actually edit multi-line in like your preferred text editor, and I just have Vim here, and I'm also gonna paste the features like I did before. All right, let's see how this goes. Klein plus Sonnet. Yeah, Klein is super good. I actually met the Klein team, and yeah, they're super nice. And they're just gonna be shipping, apparently. They're focusing on shipping like all these features to outship Cursor. That'd be hella cool. Okay, but below the precise changes, you need to change in video player.py. Oh, so show welcome screen is in video editor. Okay, they got the features. They didn't do anything about logos. I guess that's okay. I mean, icons. Dark Sky says Klein is mid. Which tool do you use, Dark Sky? You're using it wrong. Alright, it edited it. Let's test it. This looks the same. Welcome to block editor. No. Where is it? I feel like we got some double up code or something. Let's have a look at the code here. Block editor. Wait, welcome. Welcome screen, okay. Welcome to GM clip. What the frick? What was the change we just made? Oh, it didn't even make a change. I'm so confused. First, we remove task. Okay, hold on. We're running that again. It looks like it didn't make the fuck. Where did hold on. Okay. Cursor and Windsurf. Yeah, Cursor's really good. Windsurf is probably really good too. I haven't tried Windsurf in a while. The kitchen map has been defeated. Yes. Oh shit, Tompist, what's up? I don't like paying high API costs or sending my code to China using DeepSeek. Yes, fair enough. I mean, there's apparently all these new providers of DeepSeek now in like USA that are like really fast and reliable. Okay. Okay, this looks a bit better. Oh, it actually, okay, it has emojis as icons. That's nice. Let me I'll run it from a new file. From a new terminal. Okay. This, I don't know if this is better or worse. Maybe slightly better. I just feel like the whole framework isn't really great for responsiveness. Cause look at that, like if this was HTML, you could like do responsiveness better. Like the title stays in the middle. The other stuff doesn't. I mean, I don't know, I don't want to spend too much on it. Also want to find like another video we can trim. Oh, don't know what that was. Windsurf self-host DeepSeek. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Yo, Soundwaves, welcome, man. Damn, I just didn't find any. Alright, also, I think we're going to, yeah, let's also improve this part. There's a few updates I want to make there. Just gonna add all the core files, and what else is there? All the Pi files here. Oh. And enhance the control menus, consistent icons. In the control menu, only keep the buttons for help, load and save video state, and export preview labels. All the controls for navigation should be done with hotkeys, which are visible in the help dialog. Also add emoji icons for each button. Remember Devon? Yes. I've created a planner that cursor misses. It automatically updates it on the fly, so you don't need to do anything. It's just 2 files you put in a root. And you don't have a problem with memory. Yeah, Klein actually released like a new memory thing too now. Well, actually it was just a guide. It wasn't really a... It's like a cursor rules thing, right? Is that what you're doing too? What model am I using for Aider? I'm using O3 Mini as the architect and Haiku as the editor. Yeah. Okay, after this change, I want to go through my Twitter bookmarks. I think I bookmarked some cool stuff recently. Alright, let's have a quick look at this one. How about this? Oh, what? None type. Okay, I think that's an error. Is it? Oh, that looks better. What was the error though? Will we get the same error if I do another video? Yeah. Failed to load none type. Alright, let's see if we can get this to debug. On Aider, you can copy a screenshot and go /paste, and it'll paste the screenshot. Look at the error in the image and fix. Wait, can O3 read images? I don't know. No, it can't. In that case, we need to OCR, or maybe I'll just type it. Fail to load video. None type object has no attribute set enabled. I mean, it still worked, but it just gave that error. And yeah, I need to film a video for this. I mean, let's look at the one I have currently. Why can't I hear this?
Sometimes the pop-up is hidden somewhere, so I like to Alt-Tab to see if I can find it. And you can either open a video or load a previous session. So just open a video, you can click on any MP3, any like video file in your... Find any video file on your computer, load it up.
I didn't edit this at all.
And here we go, see that? And then this pop-up should come. It might be hidden, so yeah, Alt-Tab to find it. Process blocks, do you want to process a silence block? You should probably say yes here. And it will process it. Now the processing bar doesn't work, so that's it. Yeah, we're in beta, so there's a lot of bugs here, but essentially the demo of how it actually works will show you You can also press this button up the top to see all the kind of controls here. I'm going to load a state of like a bigger video, which they save in these JSON files. But yeah, you'll eventually get something like this. It'll start with a black screen, but you can press play or pause either with, this button here and the control.
Yeah, I need to do a better video. Yo, Isabel, what's up? Yes, this is Python, which is good for this performance, but I don't know, kind of regretting it, like especially for styling it doesn't look too great, and then for packaging it wasn't too great. Is this open source? It isn't, unfortunately. It was at one point, and I want to maybe make it open source again, but I wanted to try to sell this, so that's why I closed it. But there's we could do both, selling it and have it open source. Definitely a possibility here as well. Oh, Koshino, thank you for the 10 roses. I appreciate it. You love my idea? Which one? This video editing app? Or a different one? Okay. No errors. Alright, great.
Alright, so recently Avi, and what?
Okay, I might do a video here. Okay, this is kind of responsive. This is good. Let me do a video. I don't know how. Hold on. Let me think. Okay, if I hide this and then bring this here. Okay. If it isn't the best AI coder on TikTok. Oh, you're so nice. How do I... Okay, I'm gonna do a little demo video for this so I can post it on YouTube. I might keep the chat, I guess. So yeah. I always love when I'm coding and catching you coding live. Makes me feel like I'm not the only one who lives at the screen. Oh, nice. Polymath, thank you for joining again. Yeah, so right now I'm about to film like a little demo video of this app GM clip, so I can post it on the landing page and ship, and then hopefully start selling. I don't know. This is like a little experiment. I haven't really sold native software, so there's a lot I have to fix before we can go live to ensure like people can't just copy paste the installer and just have and give it to their friends. Kind of like authenticity checks. I mean, people can crack it, but at least we'll have some checks. What's my native build? So yeah, this is a Python project, PyQt, and we're using PyInstaller to build it. Yeah. No, not I wish it was Electron. It would have made things so much easier, man. Anyway, I'm gonna make myself bigger and hide the chat while I film this demo. So yeah, Python UI, man, it sucks. give me some time. Okay, I hope my voice is good. I think I can record from here actually. Hey everyone, I'm TechFriend, the creator of this software GM Clip. I made this software for myself to help me clip my long live streams into smaller clips, which I can later ship or edit into shorts. Now there's a few key functionalities that this does to make the whole process a lot easier. So the first one is when you upload a video, it will process the whole video into silence and non-silence blocks. So it'll pretty much remove all the silences, and what you're left with is these non-silence blocks. So you can see here, this is actually what you'll get after you upload a video. You have the player here, you have the navigation bar here, and down the bottom you have the labels. These labels are a really cool feature. I'll get into that very soon. But yeah, the player is very normal. Like you can press spacebar and it'll play just like a normal video, but it'll actually skip the silences. There's also like a seek bar here, so you can seek ahead to different spots in the video. But yeah, this app is meant to be used with shortcuts to enhance speed and like efficiency and fun. So yeah, plus and minus gets you to zoom in and out of the timeline. And yeah, so now let's get into the labeling. How this works is you go through the video, every non-silence blocks, and you label them for whatever the topic is. Or you can just use keep and remove. These are the two labels that come with the software at the start. And essentially, if you just use the keep label, say, okay, so how it works is you press the hotkey for each label you can assign. I'll show you quickly. You press the button above return, you get the label manager. Here you can add more labels, remove labels, change their colors. But let's just say we just have keep and remove. We can go through each block with like left and right on the keyboard. And if we press K, it'll highlight the keep block. You'll see like a little yellow border around it. And also this block has just turned green. And we can go through and label all of these. Keep, actually maybe I want to remove this. Maybe I said here, we press R, remove that block. And then at the end, if we go through, we'll have some blocks labeled as this, some blocks labeled as that. And then what we can do at the very end, go into controls and press export labels. We can even preview them to see how they look before we export them, but we can select the labels we want to export and press export. And what this will actually do is combine all the labels of the same type together. This is very useful for me because sometimes I start speaking about some topic and then go read chat in the middle and then go back to that topic, and manually editing and stitching those together would be time consuming. But with this tool, it's actually made it so much more fun and fast to like keep the same topic throughout a whole stream and stitch that together and export it. Yeah, and that's pretty much the main functionality of this. You can save states, load states, but yeah, that's pretty much the main functionality. There is some help here as well. If you ever forget the hotkeys, you can look at the help. But yeah, if you try this out and you like it, I would love for you guys to give me some feedback. Join my Discord, which you can find on techfriend.net in your browser. So let me bring up my browser here, techfriend.net. Go to that website and you'll see here this Discord icon here. Yeah, do that. If you don't use Discord, I also have email, hello@techfriend.net. Yeah, so let me know and enjoy. Sweet. Okay, that's it. That's done. Now I can bring back chat and make myself smaller and stuff. All right. I don't see chat on my screen. I think I can fix that though. There we go. It's great UI. It's just so hard to do UI in Python. Yeah. It's not only hard, it's just limited. Like the amount of stuff you can do with CSS is crazy, but like with what am I using? Side 6, it's not that great. All right, so that's pretty good. I think that whole thing in one take was actually pretty decent. Oh shit, I'm running out of battery. Thanks, Polymath. So let's just quickly view that. Movies. Hey everyone, I'm TechFriend, the creator of this software GM Clip. I made this software for myself to help me clip my long live streams into smaller clips, which I can later ship. Should I keep the start? Hey everyone, I'm Tech. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it whatever. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. Kupate, thanks for the like. Marketing and content application, yeah. I gotta verify it's me, hold up. Wait, this isn't even the Mr. One Take, yes. I wish that was usually the case. What are we gonna call this? GM clip explainer video. I made this software to clip my live streams. Now you can use it too. www.gmclip.com. Actually, if you guys are on Windows, you can actually try the beta for free right now at gmclip.com. But I will be making it paid very soon. But this is lifetime free. Like, all the video processing is done locally, and yeah, there's no like restrictions on it. So yeah, I mean, if it's something you like, you can download it for free right now. But I will be updating to this landing page where you can't try it for free. I mean, yeah. Anyway, I hope to ship this next week. That's my goal. I mean, at least on Windows. I think I've been having troubles like packaging this for Mac, but yeah, we're gonna release on Windows. Goodbye, thanks for the best AI coding content. Aw, so nice of you. Thanks for dropping by at 4 a.m. You're a hustler. Tobias, what's up, Tobias? Tobias. Is Tobias an Australian name? I don't think so. But it's like, it's the name of the Australian in The Simpsons. It's a Hebrew name, which means Yah is good. Pretty cool. Where's the YouTube upload? I need a thumbnail, man. Video to thumbnail. Online video thumbnail generator. Oh, sick. Dude, what is this? What is this? Lana, what's up? Thanks so much. For what? What did I do? Select the frame to capture. Oh, this just saves the image. Actually, that's not bad. Wait, should we find a good image? Yeah, here's good. Snap. Okay, save image. Okay, so this just takes images of the video. That's actually pretty good though. Wait, I just noticed there's a black bar underneath. Wait a second. Damn, we're missing out on some pixels here. Yeah, we're cutting off some of the top. Okay. Does your tool run all local? Yes, it does. It does. Oh, thanks, Isabel. Everyone's so nice today in chat. It's good. I like having nice people in chat. When I did that crypto shit, it was just full of degens, man. It was bad. Alright, I think I want to use like Canva. There must be something better. There must be something better than Canva, but we'll just use Canva for now. And then I can like create a design, YouTube thumbnail. And then like paste this. And then can we fit to screen? No. Fucking hate cookie mode. Okay. Alright, let's copy this and then can we like crop my shit, bro. Crop. Smart crop. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I want aliens. Okay, done. Alright, and then for this, we'll crop the tool. Done. Okay, so now we have the tool and me. How do I place this? I think like here. Now we need some kind of like background or some shit. Does this work? These are all paid. What about like video? What the fuck? Video editor. Video editing. Okay, this is a good background. No! It just deleted my shit. What? Aha, but then I got the background. Nice. We need some elements. Some text. Recraft is nice. Ooh, that's a good idea. Why not switch to Electron to be your front end? I think it's just too much overhead, and also one of the big reasons. I mean, I figured. Okay, actually, I do have an Electron version that is open source, but it's just like it's a lot of work to get it to the state where this Python thing is. This Python thing is like kind of mature. I am actually working on an Electron version, which I forgot, and that one's open source. You can actually like, okay, for now, I don't know, end up closed sourcing it. I probably won't end up closed sourcing it later, but I think if you go AJ47 video editor, yeah, this one, and it's probably on a separate branch. Ooh, is this it? Yeah, this is it. It's very, very far from working, but I am working on a Electron version that is open source. So that's in the works. See, Polymath, superb, legit. Okay. Let's pick a font. No, like highlight my words. Highlight is good. Can we search highlight? Damn it. Whatever, we're just gonna use this. GM clip. This just looks so bad. How about GM clip video editor? That's fun. This is just not gonna fit. Oh, whatever, dude. I'm just gonna use this. I've been major sucking with thumbnails. It's a shame. People told me in Discord that, you know, I make good videos, but it's just the thumbnails suck. Which I agree with. Yeah, you see, you barely read this. Whatever, man. Off. I've been turning monetization off on all my videos so people don't get ads. Should I make it unlisted? No, make it public. Alright, and now we can make the landing page. use the link to, oh my god. I wish aerospace worked on this. This is a bit annoying. Use the the new YouTube link. YouTube.com. Okay, why is there so many? Oh, they got custom thumbnail SRCs. Video, dialogue demo. Is that what we're using? We are. Dialogue demo. Okay. They have a separate URL for thumbnail. I hope if I just put my... Oh, it needs an embed URL? How do I get it? How do I get an embed URL? Embed. Like that. Okay. Wonder if I remove this. No, it complains. Bro. As if I have to host the thumbnail. That's fucking annoying. Maybe I can do a local, or like a public thumbnail. See if that works. I actually don't know how to do that. Can I use continue? Make this use gm.png. Local image at public.gm.png. Will this work? I don't know if my DeepSeek works. Let's do Sonnet free trial. Nope. How about Sonnet? Hey. Okay, apparently just like that. Alright. Let's see if that worked. Oh, it actually did work. Okay, sweet. Sweet. Alright. Editing, that feels like winning. Let's go. Oh gosh, thanks for the Go Birds. Did they win? I don't really, is that Super Bowl? I don't really follow Super Bowl. Cream asked, what project am I working on? Yes, I made this video editor and that instantly removes silences, AI powered labeling. That's not actually a function yet. Lightning fast edits, keyboard shortcuts, batch processing. Yeah. And I just improved the UI a little bit, made this demo video and put it on the landing page. Why use continue when you like Klein and Ader? Okay, so continue I use when it's just like a single line change. Because Klein and Ader, like it's harder in Klein and Ader to like just select a single line and be like change this line. They also send like a repo map and a whole bunch of other shit. But for like single line changes, continue is pretty good. Or like single file changes. All right. That was nice. Why not use Windsurf? It's just another thing. I don't think the gain from using Windsurf will be that big compared to like Klein or Ader. Might want to put on the side that it's still in alpha stage. Yep, definitely. I mean, this isn't even live. What's live on GM Clip does say try beta for free. And then this also looks like a dodgy thing. So yeah, this the landing page that I was working on right now, which I don't know just disappeared, is not the one that's live. It's the one that will be live once we're out of beta, which probably won't. Oh yeah, no, it will be. Yeah, once we're out of beta. Use. Thanks for the like, G. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna leave in like 20 minutes. So before that, let's just go through my Twitter bookmarks because I think I found a lot of cool stuff on Twitter today. Where's bookmarks? Here, bookmarks. Package JSON the cursor rules. Yeah. This is, I don't know if, yeah, this is pretty cool. So cursor rules, a lot of the time you'll find that what's in the rules is like specific instructions based on like your framework or libraries that you're using. So this looks like someone's built something that turns your package JSON, which for JavaScript projects, Node projects, React projects, it kind of lists all the dependencies you're using. So yeah, taking all that and then making a cursor rules out of all that is what this guy has made. Shout out to PointUSAB, Pontus Abrahamson, and they made it open source. Oh, are they the creator of cursor rules? Oh, cool. Looks like maybe they're the creator of cursor rules as well, which was like a cursor rules repository. Yeah, shout out to Pontus. Maybe I should give him a follow. Midday AI, what's this? Invoicing. Hell yeah, is this open source? Looks like it is, maybe. This is pretty cool. Free while in beta. Hell yeah. I do like to have something to help me invoice. Alright, I'm giving a follow. Alright, let's go next bookmark. The UI needs so much work, yeah. It does. The Python one, well, not like so much work, but I'd say the UI looks like pretty much like a 20-year-old desktop application. Because there's only so far you can go with Python apps, it seems. Like there's no, I don't know, it's really hard, it seems, to get a Python app to do really well. Okay, what's this? Built an AI that constantly looks 5 moves ahead to engineer any conversation. Yeah, this is sick. This is like Monte Carlo search on a conversation. So if you're talking to someone, you can like give a conversation goal. Here, they've put Riz up Annie at Columbia's hackathon. And over on the left, it's like the conversation history, and it takes all the conversation history and it like plays out a simulation, just like kind of like the AlphaGo does the chat thing, kind of plays out a simulation like if it were a chat game, and it sees all the different paths. Like if I say this to her, it could lead to these conversations. If I say that, it could lead to those, and then it like gives you the best thing to say with the most likelihood to Riz up Annie, or whatever your goal is. Yeah, and it was just like a really cool UI. Monte Carlo evaluation, state exploration, and you can like pick results and send them. So cool. Who is the creator here? Caden Lee. Shout out Caden Lee. AI chess. Yeah, it looks like they do stuff with chess. So is this real? No, it's gotta be fake. Like the screen, I don't think would be in the classes. But yeah, I mean, I'll give this guy a follow too. Building cool stuff. All right, what's next? Hot take: mermaid diagrams aren't for documentation. Yeah, this is cool. So Klein, I'm pretty sure this is piloted by Nick Bowman. Have been doing some really cool threads on X, specifically for the Klein tool, but also a lot of these tips can be used for not like any AI coding tool. So this one is mermaid diagrams. Okay, so it looks like they weren't the original poster. But yeah, fast code base onboarding. So if you saw I've already done a video showing how we can get mermaid diagrams from a code base. But it turns out that mermaid, like on that video, I showed it how it's good for like onboarding a human or giving a human an understanding of a code base. But it turns out these LLMs really like mermaid diagrams as well. So making a mermaid diagram with your code base and feeding that to an LLM could actually be a really good way to compress the knowledge of a code base to an LLM. So I don't know if we can see how this works, but yeah, like feeding a mermaid diagram to a code base. Do I have a Wikipedia account? I don't. No, I don't. What do you need in a Wikipedia? Is that for editing? No, I've never like submitted edits on Wikipedia. Waleed, thanks for the like. Yeah, that was really cool. What's next? MCP servers for Klein. Yeah, so I think we're still very early for MCP servers, but there's a few that would work really well with Klein, and I think the first one is Perplexity, right? Yeah, this one, Perplexity Researcher MCP. So this is one of the great features that Cursor I've seen does really well. Cursor has @web, so you can go like @web and type like, you know, whatever, your normal command, like implement this function into my code base. And what Cursor actually does is like a search, a web search, to like pull up the relevant documentation and guides based on what you've said. So this here, Perplexity Researcher MCP, brings that functionality into Klein with Perplexity, which is like a really good web search provider. So yeah, that's awesome. Like having that Perplexity Researcher MCP to search web content summarization inside of Klein, amazing. Lazy have made an agent who creates mermaid first and follows that mermaid only. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I think there's a lot of potential with mermaid, and I think we'll be seeing a lot of it. Git MCP server. So yeah, smart commit management, code search and navigation. Oh, that's actually a big one. Code search and navigation, because like personally, in my experience as a software developer, I think looking through the Git history and like the code changes, who changed the code, looking at like branches, stuff like that is actually so insightful. You get so much information, just like commit messages, like why was this line changed, and like knowing all that information, or like the recent changes, or like what files have been the most actively changed. All that information is super useful for a software developer, and a lot of these tools don't really look at that information. So having this Git MCP server with Klein, I think would be super good. And yeah, and they've obviously put that as number 2 in this thread here. Number 3, Obsidian knowledge base. Yeah, Obsidian, like all your notes. I don't personally use Obsidian, but that would be great. And then Postgres as well, like running SQL queries right in your workflow with Klein, super smart, like getting information from your database automatically without you manually having to, you know, pull in context from your database, having the ability for your AI coding assistant to, you know, run SQL queries to get stuff from your database, or even change your database. Obviously, that's a no-brainer. Docker, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's one if you use Docker. I don't really use Docker that much in my stuff. Container management without leaving, yeah. File system MCP, code-based navigation, fast search across projects. Yeah, this could be useful. I don't really see many of these agents. Actually, no, they do. They do like grep searches and stuff. Yeah. Super cool, man. Shout out to Nick and Klein for making that thread. Yeah. Riley Brown has been making animations on Premiere with Cursor, which was pretty cool. Dude, this Matte Anything easily removes background even on low-res images. This one looks sick, but I'm not sure if it's public, like the code. Let's have a look. Code. I hate it. They give you a code button. You go into the code button. It's just a license and a README. It's like, bro, don't tease me like that. And they say code and demo will be released next week. That was last week. Where's the code? Where's the demo? I'm looking at you, PQ Yang. Come on. I follow. They've actually made a lot of cool stuff, like upscaler video. I think the code for this has been released. Open source upscaling that looks really good. Like these kind of models and functions, I'd really love to have all in like one video editing app that you can do like segment anything, upscaling, all within that same app. And that's where I hope like GM Clip could go towards. And it's definitely possible. Yeah. Can't wait to work on it further. Yo, Japanese, thanks for the like. You're loving Markdown and Obsidian. I just started using it recently. Nice. Paul, I'm curious, do you pay for like Obsidian like Vault or Cloud or whatever, or do you have your own like cloud service, or like, yeah, how do you like save and back up, and like do you use it on mobile? I have all these questions about Obsidian. Needed to compress and trim a video down to 1 minute, gave it to Agent Zero, asked it to do just that, and it took about 30 seconds. Done. Nice. Like what was the exact prompt? Because yeah, I've done some stuff like that with just LLM in Terminal, and it gives you like a FFmpeg script which can do like simple edits or simple like trimming. Let's see, do I have any more? Introducing Dialogue 1, ultra emotional AI speech to text from PlayHT. Yeah, I think that was cool, but it wasn't open source. Oh, this is cool. Like all these robots doing Sue. Kobe, step back, fade away. It's pretty cool, man. I think this is a Unitree robot. Compress and trim this video down to 1. Yeah, I do that kind of stuff with LLM. It's pretty good. It's just like a one-line FFmpeg script. You pay $4 a month for sync. Okay. And do you use it on mobile? Bro, once these robots like become commonplace, which I think will happen in the next 3 years, it's just gonna change everything. Although this Unitree one, like I think what we're missing is like the dexterity in our hands, which is like really essential for a lot of things. Unless you could like replace the hand with a tool, I mean that's also an option. You can sync Obsidian with Google Drive for free. Yeah, I've also heard GitHub, like you can do it with GitHub for free. That shit would be cool. Here is a list of open source options for stuff that you might be using that isn't open source. Let's see. I'm trying to find one for payment, Polar. Like I want something better than Stripe. Is that possible? Does this like Lemon Squeezy? Anyone use that? Is that that's like a Stripe alternative, right? Yeah. There's just some. I don't know. I'll have to find something. But yeah, anyway guys, that is pretty much the end of this stream here. Thank you to all the regulars for joining. Paul, Lazy, Dark Sky, Isabel, Polymath, AI for Business, and everyone here who's relatively new. I mean, actually, Waleed's been here before, but yeah, Vakudas, Jeff Scott. Actually, I think I remember Jeff Scott too. And everyone who gifted, Ayush and Koshno. Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Got an event to go to. Should be fun. Hope it's not too raining. Looks like it's kind of died down, but yeah, I think I'll be streaming a lot from here. It's a really I got a really nice setup here. GM Clip Electron, that could be on the table. Any IDE better than Cursor? I think the contenders are Windsurf, Pear AI maybe. They're the only two like IDEs. Oh, there's like Atom. Oh no, not Atom. What's it? Zed. There's Zed. I don't know. I don't think they're like too popular. There's another one like Void. I don't know. I don't think they're too popular. But for like VS Code, obviously, VS Code, and then the extension Klein would be great. Oh yeah, Trey is also good. Helix, I don't know. JetBrains is one too. But yeah, VS Code. If you haven't tried VS Code with Klein Hashiro, I'd recommend you try that. Yeah. All right. Thanks so much, guys. We will be back tomorrow. Peace.